Here is how to change the quantity of products in Xero, step by step. Start by opening the transaction that contains the product you want to update. From the top menu in Xero, go to Sales if you are working with an invoice or a quote. If you are updating a bill or a purchase order, go to Purchases instead. Once you are in the correct area, open the specific transaction where the product or service line appears. This matters because the quantity needs to be changed inside the transaction itself, not from the general product list. When the transaction opens, check whether it is already ready for editing. If the fields are not active, click Edit to switch into editing mode. Some transactions open in a view-only state first, so this is the point where you make the form available for changes. After that, move down to the transaction table where the line items are listed. Find the product or service line that you want to update. Look across the table carefully and make sure you are on the correct line before you change anything. If the transaction includes several items that are similar, it is worth pausing for a moment here so that the quantity is updated on the intended product and not on another line in the same document. Once you have the right line selected, click into the ALQRE field for that product. Remove the current value if needed, then enter the new quantity you want to use. This updates the quantity only for that line item within the transaction you are editing. You are not changing the product record itself, just a quantity attached to this invoice, quote, bill, or purchase order. After entering the new quantity, review the figures that update automatically in Xero. The line amount should recalculate based on the quantity you entered. Tax should also update if it applies to that transaction. Then check the subtotal and the total to confirm that the overall document reflects the revised quantity correctly. This review step helps you catch any entry issue before you save, especially if the quantity change affects more than one amount on the screen. When everything looks correct, save the change using the option that matches your workflow. You may see Save and Close, Approve, or Approve and Email, depending on the type of transaction and where it is in your process. Choose the one that fits the action you want to take, and let Xero apply the update to the transaction. The product quantity in your Xero transaction is now updated and saved.